In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a table on Airtable. If you're new to Airtable or just need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through the process of adding a new table in just a few easy steps. You'll be up and running in no time. First, let's head over to Airtable's website. For those who might be unfamiliar, Airtable is a powerful platform that combines the functionality of a database with the user-friendly interface of a spreadsheet, making it incredibly useful for both personal and professional organization. Once you are on the homepage, look for the Sign In button at the top right corner. You'll need to enter your login credentials to access your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up for one. But for today's purpose, we'll assume you already have access. After successfully logging in, you'll be brought to the Airtable home dashboard. This is your main hub where all your bases are displayed. Think of it as your workspace where you can keep everything neatly organized. From here, the next step is to select a base where you want to add your table. A base in Airtable is like a project folder where all related tables are stored, so go ahead and click on the base where you want to make your new addition. Now once you've accessed your base, it's time to add the table itself. You'll notice an option to either add or import a table. This is quite handy if you want to import data from another source. However, for this tutorial, we're going to create from scratch. Select Add a blank table, and voila, there you have it. A brand new table ready for you to populate. Now, with your blank table open, you can begin customizing it to fit your needs. You can add fields, adjust column types, and input any data necessary to your project's success. Remember, Airtable is super flexible, so you can tailor the columns and fields to match precisely what you're looking to track. Before we wrap up, let me share a quick tip. Take advantage of Airtable's templates if you're looking to save some time or need a little inspiration. They offer a wide range of pre-designed templates that cater to various industries and use cases. You can easily customize these as needed. And that's it, you've successfully added a table to your Airtable base. By following these steps, you're well on your way to organizing your data in a more streamlined, efficient manner. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips on maximizing your Airtable experience.